Hey guys, showing this Syma remote control helicopter. This is a TF1001 and then aerobatic aeroplane. So this is for 8 to 12 year kids with an attitude hold, 3.5 channel gyro stabilizer with a low battery reminder. So as you can see it here, it comes in a nice box with this accessory box and the drone itself or the helicopter itself. This is the manual that describes everything. Let's open the accessory box first. So remote, and this will be the charging cable and the screwdriver. Yeah, so this is the charging cable and the screwdriver, and this one is the helicopter. You can see like on and off switch. You can charge it through this cable, like just put it in this and then put this USB in the plug. So once charged, you have to use the battery for the remote. So here like you can just put in the batteries. So this is like a 4 AA batteries. Yeah, so when this is on, you can use it. The different joystick, like the left joystick, switch, and the right joystick with a special button and the 3D tumbling, and when the one key takeoff and landing. So I will just on this and then the remote up and down to get it connected. Yeah, and you can see, and then you can see the power of the propeller, and then this will go and ready for the fun. So here we start the fun. You can see it's a very stable drone, it's high powered, and it can hold the attitude, and you can just set it. It's a different function, rotation, 3D movements, flip, and all different type of things. So it's a one button takeoff and one button the drop or the stop, and it's pretty nice and fun to play with. There are different buttons on the remote that you can use to have it. You can see like the fan power, like these leaves are just blowing down with it power stuff. And this here you can see the 3D flip. So these are 3D flips things. So it's a really fun drone and have fun with it.